Hello there. I just wanted to make this quick video to show you guys two quality of life things that I just figured out about Windows 11 that really annoyed me when Windows 11 became a thing, and I've now finally researched how to solve these things. So the first thing is the Windows Explorer. By default, they have it turned off where when you like kind of search between folders, it doesn't automatically open them up on the left panel side, which makes things really annoying when you're like trying to move things around and you need to like expand all your folders and find the one you're in to move it. So, in order to fix this, just click the three dots on your Explorer, go to Options, go over to View, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and there's this navigation pane and it says Expand to Open Folder. And by default, this will be unchecked in Windows 11. So, if you check that on, it will do that. The second thing is when you right click on something, um, it'll show this Windows 11 um, kind of menu. And in order to see all the options like you did in Windows 10, you had to click this little button down at the bottom. In order to skip that process, just hold Shift and then right click, and it'll automatically give you the more options window. So, two handy things that took me a while to figure out, but hopefully that makes your life easier.